Your biggest problem right now isn't your chords. It's flowing between them. In a quiet moment, prayer, altar call, sermon, you just don't know how to create an atmosphere, space for people to flow in the spirit. Here are 5 steps to fix it for good. Let's go. Since we are going to be in the key of C, I'm going to hold the atmosphere for worship. Here's how. Use your pad or soft strings or both. Play C, D, and then G. Step 1, give it a heartbeat. On the right hand, we're going to play this. As simple as that. I can play it over here. Ooh. Now wait until you hear step 2. Now step 2, we are going to give it a body. We're going to add a progression under it. The 1, 4, then back to the 1 progression. So together it sounds like this. Right, as simple as that. Like that. It's about to feel completely different. Step 3, breath. Now we're going to give it breath. Instead of repeating the same root note on your left, like a metronome, we're going to roll the notes like that. Okay. Or like that. So let's start. Beloved, again, it's a good thing to be in the house of God. Today we are going to take our verse from the word of God. Or like this. Numbers chapter 23, verse 19. God is not a man. Do you hear the difference already? Now the room just exhaled. That's breath. But here's the part that makes the room go quiet. Step 4, add a voice. We're going to keep the left hand rolling, continuous playing this. And we're going to add 1 note to it. Okay, just 1 note on purpose, like this. Like this. Okay, just this note. Step 5, give it somewhere to go. We're going to play some notes outside the key of C. Okay, this is the first note. We'll play this and also that note. Okay. Okay, so this is how it sounds together. Right, but here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to play this. Yeah, I'm maintaining my left hand. I'm maintaining my C. Okay. Right, slow, C, another C, D, another D, then F minor, so here you can use this when the worship leader is actually praying. Then when the pastor is talking or the worship leader is talking, then you can use this. You can also play this. Did you get that? So my left hand plays the A flat, B flat, okay. So now how do you apply this in other keys? It's very simple. The number system. On my right hand, I'm playing my 7, 1, 5, 5, then 5 and 1 together. So like this. Right. Now, assuming I want to learn the same thing in the key of C sharp, the same principle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 1, 5, 5, then 5 and 1 together. Right. In the key of F, 7, 1, 5, 5 and 1 together. Okay. Now the left hand is even more simple. Progression 1, 4, and back to the 1. C sharp. This is our 1. This is our 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see? Okay. In the key of F, this is our 1, then our 4. So simple. Now you use the same principle and then applies for the other versions I taught you. This one that I taught you. So use the same principle. I don't want to make this video long. Just use the number system to transpose these chords and this movement in all the other key. So now you have 3 different things that you can use. You can use this. Or you can use this for right, so then you can use this one too. Keyboard players, leave one tip for the person watching this after you. What helped you create atmosphere in a slow moment? Drop it below for the next player who needs it. Now, if this helped you, share it with a keyboard friend. They definitely will need this today. This system works for slow, quiet moments. If you want a version for when worship builds and speeds up instead, comment build below. If enough of you want it, it might be my next video. Each one of these videos takes real hours, testing every voicing, playing it wrong a dozen times before it's right, and then editing it down so you are not wasting your time watching me figure it out. I do that so guys like you get this for free. If it helped, a like is the only payment I'm asking for. It's what makes me keep making these videos instead of doing something else with that time. Subscribe if you want the next one when it's up. Always remember, you are creating space for something bigger than the music. Less of you and more of him. That is what flow really is. I put a video right there that you probably need more than you think. Watch that next.